Louise. How are you all doing today? I am here with a video. My name's Alexis. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I'm so happy to see your beautiful face. I'm basically doing this wearable glam look that I have on my face right here today. If you are interested in finding out how to get this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a wearable glam look. I'm going to be using this baby, and it's the Morphe 35K palette. So let's get started, shall we? I'm going to take this brush right here. I don't know what brush it is, but all of my brushes are from Morphe. These ones just don't have the name on them. So I'm going to take, where is it? This color right here. And I'm going to run that through my crease. I'm now going to take a fluffier brush, like this one, and I'm going to go in with a deeper brown. Probably a mix between these two right here. Oops. These two right here. And I'm going to deepen up that outer corner. Probably should have zoomed it out. Okay, so I'm going to take this metallic gold and I'm just going to pack it onto my lid. And then I'm just going to take this brush that I have, not dipping it into any new shadow. I'm just going to take what's left on it and blend it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and I'm going to spritz my brush and I'm going to go ahead and intensify. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. First I'm going to line my waterline with Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner. And it's in Onyx. That's like the blackest black. And I'm just going to run this. Yes, yes. Run it under my waterline. And do the same. Alright. Then I'm going to take, do a small wing with my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. Let's pray. Let's pray that I can get this right on the first try. Got it right on the first try. So I'm going in with Benefit They're Real. Alright. Finally, moving on to the face. For primer, I'm going in with the NYX the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. And I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. This is my first time using this, but I have like really dry skin, so anything that goes on my face usually just looks crusty and cracky because of my dry skin. And my nose is especially dry, so I'm going to take a little bit more and put it on my nose. And for foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Filter. I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I am the shade 420. So I take 2 pumps to begin with. I have absolutely no clue what happened to my Real Technique sponge. So now I'm forced to use a brush. I use a dual fiber brush. This one is from Morphe. And I am taking, oh, I hate using brushes. Taking this and I'm going to, I really hate using brushes. I'm going to put on my foundation. Like, alright, next for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and the shade I am in is dark. So for concealer, I literally cover all the bases, just what the booty gurus do or whatever. I go under the eye. Good grief. See, another reason why I don't use brushes, because hairs get everywhere. Under the eyes. Down the bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Now I'm going to go ahead, take this foundation brush from Morphe. Again, like I said, all my brushes from Morphe, and blend it on out. I need to get this real close because I'm not messing up this makeup now. Oh, that wasn't smart. I'm also just going to use my concealer to straighten out the eyeshadow. I am going to use the Revolution by Makeup Revolution London luxury baking powder in the banana shade. Oh, okay, not too bad. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. So I'm just gonna highlight. And since you don't need a lot, oops, that was a lot. That was a lot. Just gonna take my foundation brush. Oh yeah, that was a lot. Lord Jesus. For lips today, we are going to take, where is my lip liner? We're going to take Kylie Cosmetics True Bound K lip liner. Line the lips. I'm going in with Velvet Teddy for the lips. Last and final step is to go back in with the Morphe setting mist, and I'm just gonna spritz my face. Woo! Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really want to see more, I am going to be consistent. So I want all of you guys to be my little cuties, my little friends or whatever, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching again, and have a great rest of your day or night. Bye!